Hello, I'm Dr. Paco Arredondo from Positive Fertility in San Antonio, Texas. At Positive Fertility, we strive to make fertility simple. When we meet with our patients, they often ask us how we streamline treatments. In other words, how we reduce the time from the first visit to start of the treatment. One very useful tool that we use at Positive is that during the first visit, we do a hysterosalpingo foam sonography, HyFoSy or HyFoSy. It is a quick and gentle procedure which uses XM foam, a contrast agent approved by the FDA. XM foam is made of safe ingredients to constitute air polymer instead of saline and air bubbles that we previously used. The hundreds of thousands of microbubbles produced allow XM foam to provide highly echogenic images, makes it very simple to identify the fallopian tubes with a simple 2D ultrasound that we all have in our offices. This technique is as accurate and as reliable with higher specificity and sensitivity than HSGs to document tubal patency. More than 9 comparative studies have verified this assertion. Moreover, according to a recent study, the patients have more tolerability, less pain, and less anxiety than patients undergoing HSGs. So you don't have to expose your patients to radiation or have an expensive fluoroscopy machine in your office. We all have the equipment and tools to perform HyFoSy in our offices. With one simple ultrasound scan, we can evaluate 4 out of the 5 fertility factors. First, evaluate the cervix at the time you pass the catheter. Second, you evaluate the uterine factor by assessing whether the patient has polyps or fibroids in the cavity. Third, you evaluate tubal patency using XM foam and the HyFoSy procedure, documenting that the tubes are open, and you will also be able to determine that there is no hydrosalpinx. And then fourth, you can assess the ovarian factor by counting the follicles in the ovaries and determine the antral follicular count or AFC. So if we obtain a semen analysis prior to the first visit, then in that first encounter, we can already provide a diagnosis and start treatment right away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to think positive.